make sure to pause, to stop the video, to take the notes. Alright? Alright? So just try to refresh this. Remember, we take the data, we make the addition, yes, then we divide by the numbers of digits from the data, which were 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one appeared. We make the addition of the numbers, which is 466, and we divide it by 5, as you can see here. Alright? So that's kind of an easy way to find the mean. It's very important that the students take care of this kind of when finding the mean, because sometimes when they're in a rush, they don't multiply or divide or make the addition properly, and that's why sometimes in the exams or quizzes the mean is not correct. Okay, so this is something that I recommend strongly to the students, right, and also to you, to let them know that they need to relax, to word the exercises carefully, because if they don't know how to make additions or subtraction or multiplication, they're not going to be able to find the mean. Okay? This is the second part. We're going to find the mode. Alright? So let's find the mode. So in order to find the mode, we're going to write the data again as I wrote it in order in the first time. So I'm going to write the data again, which is 74, 85, 95, 106, and 106. Alright? So we have to remember, as I explained before, in this case, the mode, as you can see and in the definitions, is the number that repeats more often in the data. So we're going to see each number and see how many times they repeat itself. 74, you don't see it here, we just repeat once. Yeah, so let's put maybe 1. 85, just repeat it once. 95 is repeated just 1. But if you notice here, 106 is repeated twice, 2 times. Alright? 1, 2. So, you see? So, according to the definition, in which I say that the mode is the number that repeats more often, so mode, yes, is equals to 106. Okay? Because it's the number that repeats more often. Alright? So that's something that because you repeat twice. This one just repeat once, this is just only one time, this is only once. But 106, as you can see here, it's repeated more often in the data. So mode is equals to 106. Alright? Understood? Perfect. Take your notes if you want to. Alright? So we already found the mean and the mode as well. Alright? Let's find out the median. Alright? We are now going to find the median. Right? Hold on. Median. Alright. Remember when I started explaining this video, when I say that the median is the middle number in the order of data? That's what we're going to do. We're going to find the middle number. But we have to be careful here. Sometimes we cannot find the middle number because it depends if the number of the data is pair or not pair. But here is not a problem because we have only 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and as you know, 5 is non-pair. Non-pair. Okay? Non-pair. In Spanish it's called no es par. Okay? So here all we have to do is to check the data, and we're going to find the middle number. So here it's easy to find. I have 2 digits here and 2 digits here. So the middle number is 95. Alright? So 95 is the median. Alright? Because it's the number in the middle. Right? Any problem? You just contact me if you have any question. Right? So sorry, I just checking any message, taking a little break when I'm doing this video. Alright? Anyways, I'm sorry. Anyways, so take notes of that. Remember to, if you don't understand something, make sure to rewind or to stop whenever you want in the video. Right? That's the good thing about doing this video, because if you don't understand something, you just can go back in the video to see what part did you miss or what part you need to understand here. Alright, so let's erase this. I'm going to explain another exercise quickly about mean, mode, and median. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to give you another exercise, this one. So I'm going to talk about number of pets. This is another data. Number of pets. Alright. So here, according to the exercise, I'm going to write quickly the numbers. 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 0, 1, and 0. So this is what we call the data. Alright? This is what we call the data. So what is the first step here? So the first step here is obviously to what? To organize the numbers. We need to organize the numbers first, or organize the data. Alright? So let's begin. What do you think will be the first number to write here? Alright, let's see. Obviously, the lowest number is equals to 0, 0. The next number is 1, 1, 1, and 1. Alright. The next number is 2. We cannot miss any of the numbers. If we miss one number, it's going to be a problem later on. So, I have to see. Maybe I suggest you maybe to do this. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Another 2, 3, 3, and 3. Alright? So now the data is completely organized. Alright? Then, what we are going to do is to make the addition of that. So mean, it's equals to 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3, I'm sorry, divided by, sorry about the line, I'm not too good at doing this. So remember that the formula of finding the mean is the addition of the data divided by the numbers of digits from the data. So let's count how many numbers we have in the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Supposed to be, hold on. Hold on a second. I have to see. This is a mistake with it. Oh, wait a second, I make a mistake here. So it's basically, hold on. I make a mistake here, I'm very sorry. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you have to count the numbers from the data. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's equals to 10. Okay. Sorry, I erased one of the numbers. Borré uno de los números porque copié un número de más del problema. Por favor, para que tengan en cuenta eso. Bueno, simplemente copié un número más, pero ya lo corregí. Okay, going back to English. Here, I have the numbers, alright, of the data. Alright, and so I have 0. Sorry. At 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is a really easy exercise. It's not too complicated because 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 11 and 14. So that's equals to 14 divided by 10. Alright? Before I continue, I'm going to say something in Spanish so you don't get lost. Cuando copié el número los números del ejercicio me equivoqué porque puse un 3 de más, okay, pero ya lo corregí. ¿Listo? Entonces para que ustedes vean que aquí ya lo quité, y aquí también, y aquí también. ¿Listo? Para que tengan eso en cuenta. Ahora sí, we continue with the explanation. And now we have 14 divided by 10. Alright? So we're going to erase this, which I don't need this information. Alright? I don't need this either. Alright? We have the operation right here. So we have two ways to do it. Right? So we can either do this 10 over 14. Alright? So how many tens I can fit in 14? It's only one because 10 times 1 is equal to 10. And that's the closest number to 14. So just 1. Alright? 1 times 10 is equal to 10. So then you subtract, you make the subtraction. Yes, this is equals to 4. Yes. It's actually 4. Alright? And that's it. So the answer will be mean equals to 1 remainder 4. Okay? So that's the answer of this. 1 remainder 4. Alright? If you're not comfortable with this system of division yet, so what you can do is do the Colombian version. 14 divided by 10. So that's equals to 1. 1 times 0, 0, to 4, 4. 1 times 1, and 2, 1, 0. Okay? So that's the same as the mean here is equals to 1 remainder 4. Okay? This and this are the same. The only difference here is that your kids, your students are more used to divide it this way and not this way. But for you parents, I'm explaining the Colombian version, so that way you can understand the division here. Okay? So you see, 1 remainder 4. Right? So this is what we call as the mean. Alright? So let's erase. Yes. Alright. So let's see how we can do this. Alright. Now, we are going to find the mode. We are going to find the mode. Alright, sorry. Mode. So in order to find the mode,